Hi, so I'm going to show you how to install our project from the fall 2019 semester. So you're going to open the GitHub. Sorry, let me go back. Okay. So there's going to be this README here in the GitHub. So this will generally tell you how to do it, but I'll go ahead and show you manually. This will show you how to do it through GitHub. I'm just going to kind of show you how to manually do it. So you can go ahead and download this zip file, save it to anywhere. So while that downloads, all you're going to want to do is open Meta Editor, hit File, and then come down to Open Data folder. This will automatically take you to the folder where everything for your project is stored. So this MQL5 folder is kind of where everything happens and all of the changes occur for the most part. You can just then manually take everything from this folder in here and copy it into here. I'm not actually gonna let it copy. I'm gonna hit cancel just because I already have everything saved here. But this is how you would go ahead and manually download our project. Then you can come here on the side, go into Experts, Effort, EFTT, like this, and you'll go ahead and see all of our experts along with the past team's expert. And you can go ahead and proceed from there. Just some quick advice, if you want to be able to find the signals and where they're located, you're going to go into Include. Let me go ahead and close this up just so you can see the full path. You're going to go from Include to Expert, from Include to Expert to Signal to Effort up here to EFTT, and then for our signals it's going to be within here in the DLC bullish cross. This is from the last team here, and then this is like every other signal in MQL5 is going to be located in this signal folder. Any signals that you make have to be in this folder so that they show up in the wizard. And other than that, that is a pretty good summary of how to install our project. Best of luck.